What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and today we have a very special video for all of you Mopar enthusiasts. Today we have our Dodge Charger wide-body Hellcat. You guys have loved all of the content that we filmed on this car, and unfortunately this is going to be the last rendition. As of right now, we have the titanium exhaust on the car, which sounds awesome. We just pulled off the free flow components up front from Keystone, and we threw on these stock pipes up front. Now these are catted. I think it delivers a way cleaner sound. It's not as loud as it was beforehand, but I think it's a very, very clean setup. And also the new tips, I think the car looks pretty good. Let's go take a look. Alrighty, here she is all washed up. She looks actually really good. She's about to find a new home, but we've done all our developments and we were really happy with how this has come out. As you guys can see out back, we did throw on a set of the gloss black single wall tips, which I think look really good when it's paired to this gloss black paint and the diffuser. So throughout this video, we're gonna be showing you guys all of the sound characteristics. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and you're gonna get the good fortune of sitting inside the Hellcat to enjoy the experience from the interior. The sound flexibility with these valves are super dynamic, and we even linked the home link buttons to the valves so you can open and close your valves at ease without the controller. This thing is gonna sound insane going down the airstrip, and I'm really excited, so let's get to it.
I'll leave the interior lights on so that you guys can see me, and we'll take a little bit of a ride with you guys to show you the interior experience. Now, what's really enjoyable about the developments at Valvetronic Designs for the HELLCATs and the 6.4, 6.2, and 5.7 V8 Chargers Challengers is whether you have a base charger V6 and you want to do mufflers, or you want to get the Valvetronic catback system for your V8 RT, or you want to go crazy with the Valvetronic setup like this car with the full titanium setup. The experience is top-notch no matter how you go. The valve mufflers give you huge flexibility on the low end. In the medium end, if you're looking for that nice stainless steel setup for your scat pack or whatever, Valvetronic's got you covered. Or if you're looking for the most amped, most exciting, best sounding HELLCAT out there, this setup is the way to do it. It's unbelievable how smooth, aggressive, and exotic this setup makes these Chargers and Challengers. I don't think anybody else has ever done a titanium Charger or Challenger exhaust for the V8 platforms or the V6s. So, of course, Valvetronic Designs delivering you the best in terms of engineering, quality materials, and fitment configuration. The sound that we've extracted out of this HELLCAT, it doesn't even feel or sound like a HELLCAT anymore. It's very, very unique. And let's be honest, these cars are not cheap. If you're looking for the most unique experience, we know there's MBRPs and Corsas and Magnaflows and all these nice companies, all these great companies out there. But if you're looking for that extra edge, that really unique experience, there's only one place to find it, and that's Valvetronic Designs. So we're gonna get this thing warmed up about 180 degrees of oil temp. I like to see 210 or so before we go full throttle. That's because this is actually my personal car, and it's been really fun. We've really enjoyed the development process to extract the best sound characteristics we can out of many American cars, whether it's F-150 Raptors, these, the V8 Coyote F-150s or Mustangs, anything else that's out there in terms of the American world, especially Corvette C8s as well. We're looking to showcase Valvetronic Designs as the option for the American market. We know we do a lot of Europeans, a lot of Italians, you know, Lamborghinis, Porsches, Ferraris and such, but we're taking all that learning and engineering to the American market, and we're gonna crush it. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Little windows down. This thing almost sounds like E92 M3. It's that exotic. Like, it almost sounds, you get the depth and the aggressiveness down low. Listen. The cool thing is too, folks, like, people forget about this. Everybody straight pipes the cars, whether it's any type of V8 or even the V6s. Listen. Close the valves, put myself back in auto. No drone, no unwanted frequencies. This thing sounds like it's bone stock in here. It's actually slightly quieter than the factory exhaust with the valves closed. And the cool thing is, I don't know about you guys, but if this is your car, whether it's a V8, Scat Pack, HELLCAT like this, and you want to use it, and you want to be out there enjoying it, having this setup be able to be this quiet and this reserved is so nice. People forget about the fact that having a really nice valve system, it's not just about the valves open sound and the valves closed is, you know, just something to forget about. This valves closed experience is like the vehicle is bone stock. No drone, no unwanted frequencies, no extra hum. It's genuinely like this thing is bone stock, which is so nice in here because everybody wants to make the cars loud. And even if you have this system with the race pipes installed, or you've got headers or whatever configuration, this setup, when you close it, still goes back to being like it's bone stock. And that's the real engineering prowess behind the Valvetronic system compared to anything else, is because our muffler casings, the way they're designed and the packing used, it's very dense so that you can have that huge flexibility when needed.
driver swap. We're gonna get some interior now with the camera. Right now we have the valves open. You get some good exhaust noise, you get some good intake noise. That's the one thing with the Cornerstone delete pipes. It was just so loud out back that you kind of had to pick one or the other. This, you get a perfect mix of both. Car feels sharp. Brings that rasp. These downshifts too. Oh yeah. Dude, what a night and day difference. Get huge flexibility. We'll close them up for you guys now. All you get is now intake supercharger noise as if this thing was stock. This is incredible. I mean, I don't know why anyone would buy anything else. We'll see if we can get a big crack on this building right here. Ready? What an experience. And that, everybody, is the perfect exhaust solution for these HELLCATs. Whether it's a Charger, Challenger, V6, V8, Scat Pack, HELLCAT, whatever you got, this is the perfect exhaust solution. You guys heard how versatile the valves were. You guys heard how crazy it sounded running down the airstrip. And this is exactly how your Charger is going to sound right out the box. You don't need to do any other modifications, stock headers, stock cats, just our exhaust system, and this is how it sounds. This is the flexibility that all of these enthusiasts need when having a car like this. This thing is a lot of people's daily drivers, surprisingly, even if it's a Scat Pack, HELLCAT. And when you're on the highway, these things tend to drone a lot. Now with this exhaust setup, as you guys heard on the interior, it does not drone at all. If you're interested in getting this system for your Charger, Challenger, Scat Pack, HELLCAT, whatever you got, head over to valvetronic.com. We have a live chat, we have a phone number, and you guys can email us if you guys have any questions. If you're looking to get the titanium system that you guys heard and saw, at the time of you watching this video, it's either gonna be waitlisted, where you can sign up and we'll send you an email as soon as it's in stock, ready to go, and it'll be at your house in 2 to 3 days, or they'll already be in stock, ready to go on our shelves. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to also say there's 96% of you viewers that aren't subscribed. I know YouTube algorithm nowadays will show you guys a lot of creators that you don't even subscribe to over and over again because it knows you like watching our videos, but please go ahead down below and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. We upload every other day and we put a lot of time, energy, and effort into these videos. That being said, stay tuned for our next video where it's not going to be a car, it's going to be American, but it might be a truck. Stay tuned.